Have you ever tried folding money towards yourself? If you have never done that, in fact, you are missing out a lot on this life-changing money spell. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do this and how to start attracting money to yourself and how you start attracting and manifesting big money to yourself. So sit back and relax while I do this. My name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. On this channel, I make spiritual videos for spiritual people. If you are interested in what I do, join my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell so that you can always get videos like this. Okay, let's get it started. This video is not going to take your time, but it is packed with a lot of life-changing tips on how to do this. So please watch this video from the start till the end. So if you have never tried folding money 7 times to yourself, you are missing out. This has a lot of spiritual power in it, and I really want to discover this in this video today. So this is exactly what you need, the items that you need to do this. You need a money bill. You need money. It could be a dollar bill, it could be a pounds, it could be naira, it could be CDs, any type. So just get the currency that you have in your country. Okay, this is what I have that I'm using right now, a $20 bill. You can use any one that you need, okay, that you have. So you need some sugar. This is sugar in this little cup, and you need a glass cup for this, a glass cup. Please, when you do this, make sure you have a transparent glass cup, a new one. So possibly in your house, you will have a set of glass in your house. Pick from one of the sets, okay? Pick one from the set and use this for this spell. It's very important. If you don't have this, go to the supermarket, grab a new glass cup, okay? So now, after that, you're going to hold this. You're going to sit in a very quiet environment. An environment where you can communicate directly with the universe, with God, with the powers of the universe. You want to choose a very quiet environment. And when you do this, you can sit down, you can stand up, you can stoop down, you can lay down, whatever position that is convenient for you. So now you are going to clear your mind. Take a deep breath. Clear your mind of all the problems you have been going through and make your mind blank. Tell God Almighty that you're doing this for the right purpose. You are not doing this because you're not doing it for greediness. You are not greedy. You have a genuine need. That's why you're doing this. So hold this dollar bill like this. Okay? And you're going to start to fold it. You fold it towards yourself 7 times. 7 times. Okay? The number 7 itself is a very powerful mystical number. Is the number of the universe, is the number of God, is an angel number that makes everything come to you in abundance. Okay, so now you're going to take this dollar bill, you will start to fold it towards yourself. Okay, you fold it like this. You have to do this 7 times. Remember, the folding will be 7 times. 7 times, please. So now, after that, you're going to take this. You're going to grab your glass cup. Okay? You put this money inside the glass cup. Okay? Let the money sit inside the glass cup. Okay? If it's not sitting well, please put it right so that it sits to the bottom. Let it sit to the bottom of the glass cup. Okay? It's going to sit like that. That's what it's going to look like inside the glass cup. Okay? You see that? So now, once you've done that, you see that, right? So you're now going to take your sugar. Sugar, when you use sugar for money spell, it worked powerfully. Okay? Sugar makes things sweet. All right. It works mightifully. It works for attraction. It works for love. It works for abundance. Okay. It manifests big money to you. So you're not going to take it. You drop the thing, the whole thing, sugar. Just drop it on it in such a way that sugar will cover the money. Okay. So sugar, look at how sugar cover it, that you can hardly see the money anymore, right? You can still see it, but it's mostly covering it. Remember, sugar, there's no way you can count sugar. It's massive. It's billions, it's millions. So that's how you want your money to be. So now you will take this, you will pray over it, you make your intention. You say that sugar is sweet. May this money come into my life and make my life sweet in the mighty name of God. As I do this morning spell today, as I add sugar, as I fold this morning like this and I put sugar on it, may my money multiply. May my money multiply in multiple fold in the mighty name of God. From today, money will come into my life. Money will flow into my life. I will never beg for money again. I will never cry for money again in the mighty name of God. So now, after that, you will take this and keep it in a place where the moon energy will fall on it. Let's say you're doing it today. You can keep it overnight. Keep it on your window. You can keep it outside. A very safe place where nobody can touch this, where nobody can see this. Okay? So it's very, very important that you do it that way. So when it is in the morning, you will now take this glass cup, you bring it inside and say another prayer on it. Say, it's morning right now. As I do this today, money will flow into my life. Blessings will flow into my life. Miracles will come into my life. Riches will come into my life. I will never lack anything good in my life again in the mighty name of God. Amen. So now you will now take this. You will take out the money. Okay. Remove the money. Okay. The money, you can use this money to buy something. You can buy for food for yourself. You can use it to buy anything for yourself. You can use it to buy something for people. You can give it for people that are in need. With whichever situation it is, you can use it to buy something for yourself. You can use it to buy something for people that needs help. You can use it to buy food for people, whatever it is. So that's that. Now, the sugar, you're not going to take this sugar, you will dig a ground and bury it in the soil. Okay, if you don't have somewhere to dig or where to bury this, you can just grab like a flower plant or pack some sand in a container and add this salt and bury it in there. And as you bury it, you say, you will bring big money to me. You will bring huge money to me in the mighty name of God. Blessings from all over the world will come to me today in the mighty name of God. That's what you want to do. After that, just go about your normal business. This kind of spell is something you can do this once a week. You can do it once a month, okay? And see how your life will change for good. This is a very powerful spiritual spell that is beyond human comprehension. Only a very powerful, a truthful spiritualist will tell you this. That's why I'm telling you this right now. So go right ahead, do this, and come back and share your testimony on my channel. So this glass, after using this, you can use it again, wash it, and continue to using it. Okay? But each time you do this, you make sure you use a new glass cup for this. It's very important. So thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful, if you love this, if what I've done in this video makes sense to you, I want you to like this video right now. Press the like button. I really want you to press the red button also. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so that you can always get my video every single time. You know I love you and I'm sure you love me too. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. For more spiritual tips, for more spiritual help, join membership on my channel and you will never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of you. Bye-bye.